How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your location on WhatsApp. So first of all, you want to open up WhatsApp and press the three dots in the top right, and then come down to settings. From here, you want to select privacy, and then scroll down until you find the live location section. Select that. So WhatsApp is going to need location permission turned on in order to share your location. So press continue and allow WhatsApp access to your device's location. So now you've enabled location sharing. You want to open up the chat with the person who you'd like to share your location with, and in the message menu at the bottom, you see to the left of the camera there's a paperclip. Press that, and then that'll open up this menu where your location is. Press that, and as you can see, share live location. Tap on that, and this will remind you that members in the chat will see your location in real time. And press continue, and then it'll ask how long you'd like to share your live location for. So we'll do 15 minutes, and then press the green arrow in the bottom right. So now you can see that your live location is on. So that's how to share your location on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.